I have a WORX battery-operated trimmer and I absolutely love it. I'm going to show you how I can replace the spool and how to adjust the flower guard. Check in the text below this video and I will provide a link on how you can get this product or one similar. See if we can do a short video on how to replace the spool for a WORX trimmer. First of all, make sure there's no battery in it. Turn it upside down. This is the part that covers the trimmer spool. So you mash in on these little things on the side. Mash in on those. It pops off. And you can see how the spool is in there, that the smooth side with the arrows on the top. And this one is completely empty of trimmer. The last one I had a little bit left on there, but it just wouldn't feed. So now this is what we see. Take our new spool, and you can either pull up on the top of this, as one viewer suggested. That does not work for me, but apparently it works for that viewer. I have to pull it here. You still have trouble. And you want to hold on to it pretty tightly because it wants to pop off like that. So this side with the gears on it, it goes down. It goes down in this part. You pop it down in there, it doesn't click or anything. When you come around, spin around, there's a hole. You have to feed this through that hole. I should have done that before I popped it in. A little spider just escaped from there. Did you see it? Trying to make sure all this stays on. Which is the fun part. And that's it. You pull a little bit more out. I think the last time I had more than that on there. Then you get the top. You have to squeeze these side things in because this part right here has to go in underneath that on both sides. So if you squeeze it and put it in there, it does that. You should be good to go. You can hit the feeder on the top a little bit to get some more string like that. Another viewer asked how to do this flower guard thingy, and the instructions are very unclear. Let me show you the instructions. It doesn't give you any instructions about how to adjust the flower guard. It just shows you where it is and shows you how to put it on and shows you that you can use the trimmer without the flower guard or with it to protect flowers. But you can just pull it out and push it back in like that. You just have to do it, by hand. Unless you have another appendage that you can use. Hope this helped. If it did, give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment, share if appropriate. If you have time before you go, watch another video. I do enjoy my WORX tools.